Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study the SAT book, only way. Start by mapping chapters to a weekly calendar, prioritizing high-yield topics and practice tests. Use focused 45 to 60-minute sessions and short breaks to keep energy steady. Alternate reading, targeted practice, and timed sections each week. Review mistakes actively, make concise notes, and retest older topics to ensure retention and confidence before full practice exams. In this video, I will explain how to study the SAT book, only way. Read each chapter actively by underlining main claims and writing short margin notes that summarize logic. Convert examples into self-check questions and pause to answer without peeking. Record common error patterns and strategies in a dedicated notebook for quick review. This approach turns passive reading into deliberate practice that builds understanding and reduces repeated mistakes during timed practice tests. In this video, I will explain how to study the SAT book, only way. Quick recommendation. If you like study tools and life hacks, consider Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth for a fresh perspective on money and planning your future. It pairs well with long study seasons. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax for a moment. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study the SAT book, only way. Treat practice as training. Simulate test timing and environment to build stamina and pacing. Mix focus drills on weak topics with full-length practice tests every 1 to 2 weeks to gauge progress. After each test, review every missed question, note the strategy that would fix it, and incorporate those notes into future drills. This keeps study efficient and targeted toward real improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.